Hey guys, alright, this is my 180 SX I just picked up and post commentary, but we're just having a quick look at the trunk here, different parts. Looks like we've got a spare tyre, some carpet, subwoofer, just random interior parts, rear seats, door cards, just the usual stuff you find in a car. And pull around here, just, more stuff. Bit of a mess, dash is all out, stuffed, and rubbish everywhere, but yeah, it's just a little post commentary talking about the car, and we should get a better angle shortly. Alright, see you in a bit. Yo guys, so we're in the Silvia. Don't know how well you can hear me. We're on the old Samsung phone, but yeah, just sitting in the passenger seat here, and pretty mean. I just had a crack at the gears. If I can figure out how to switch this over. No, it's not going to let me switch. But yeah, so can't tell if you can see, but clutch in. Got a bit of a wiring issue. Got our OG gangster gear shifter, but seems pretty good. I want to say it's a short throw shifter, but I don't know. Like, it's pretty, I don't know whether that's just because it doesn't have a thing on it or not, or what, but yeah, we're getting the stripping going. It's getting there. Got a bunch of parts here, broken shit. Found the old gauge here, bit of boost. That's pretty good, saves me buying one. Not quite sure where that mounts. Probably wouldn't have a clue, to be honest. Probably somewhere on the dash, I would say. Yeah, a little bit of Japanese here. Yeah. Fully sick. Alright, I'll catch you later. Alright, so I'm just showing some rubbish that I pulled out of the car. Some mean weight reduction. What's up guys? So we're back with the 240 build, and doing some more stripping. Finally figured out how to hold the camera right so you get a pretty decent angle. So fuck it. Swing it back around here. As you can see, done a bit of work. Lighting might be a bit shit at the moment, but we found the old battery box here, and brand new battery. So that'll be pretty sweet. Hopefully that's not fucked, otherwise we'll give her a charge. So we're going to be working on doing a rear mounted battery there. Obviously he's connected the earth, bit of dodgy wiring, but we can make it happen. And just cleaning it out, getting it there. Got to tackle that. It's got an amplifier on it, so I got to have a crack. Cheeky little fucking thing there. I've just taken this off here on this side, so it's got this down here, so I'm just going to take this off now. It's a bit rusty, got to take these off too, but don't have the tool here today, and so I'm just going to take those off both sides, and we'll catch back up with you. Alright guys, so just managed to get the whole dash out, all things. Just managed to pull it out from inside here. So now we've got a bit more HVAC stuff, all things. Had to take off, I was sitting here. Had to take handbrake off, get the dash out. Did all the bolts like here, a couple here, two in the dash here and here. And now she's out. Had to do some MacGyvering, had to chuck it in fourth, pull it over, put it back in second to get it over the steering wheel, but we got it. So got to figure out, I think we can remove a lot of this stuff. I think it's a lot of heater core and stuff, but I'm not sure. I have to go double check and see what we're running there. Little ECU down there, pulled a bunch of shit out. Dash still works, so we might, I don't know, fab up something. Don't know. We'll see. Pull some more shit out. Holy sick turbo. Alright guys, so got some massive wires. These are all just the extra amplifiers from all that. It's all amplifier from the previous owner. Gotta get this off. That's just the stock cooling unit. All here, shit tons of wires. Don't know if I'll really clean up the wires. Probably a bit above my pay grade, if you know what I'm saying. But we just got all the other wires, connectors here. A lot of the stuff we're going to get deleted when we get a switch set up. I'm going to do a custom switch setup, so I got to figure out, you know, how my hazards and all shit works. But also I just pulled this out from under here, so that goes like so, all the way under there and over here. But I just cut that bit over there, as you can see, just shredded it with some knife, cut it here, and managed to get it through the steering column, or across the steering column. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna take this apart now, get rid of all this shit, and this is more heat back stuff. See, and that's just easy, couple bolts, and good to go. And then we'll see what we need to take off next. Alright guys, so I'm just in the 240 finishing off the stripping and tackling this wire real quick. Not much room here, but taking all the connectors out of the amplifier, so they're all done. And as you can see here, a bunch of cables are just taken out. Oh shit. And thought I'd just bring you back to show you what progress I've made. But also this crazy little thing goes down here, runs 2 power wires here, which is going to the front battery, I'm guessing. And this here is just grounding on the coilover bracket there. So that's done. So that's pretty sick. Yeah, I'll come back with another progress report soon-ish, because I've done a lot of progress. Be back. That was there. So yeah, that's one of the heater hoses. Here's another one of those heater hoses. So yeah, you just gotta, to get the middle one out, gotta pull this off, and then, I don't know if you can see, yeah, those 2 here. So you pull that one off, and then that one too, and that'll be dripping coolant as well. So I had a bit of a mess, but yeah, now we just gotta pull these out on the engine. I don't know if you can see, yeah, that one right there, and loop that around to the other side of the engine. So we'll do that now. See there, that center one, that's where those hoses go into it. So to take that out, you gotta disconnect those hoses.